Hello everybody, Professor Halsey here, and welcome to week 3 for CEIS106. This is our introduction to operating systems. This week, we're going to get a little bit more into Linux command line and some of the commands. Okay, to move down to module 3, you can collapse module 2 so that you don't have as far to scroll. You can see here we're looking on the command line and scripts. Now, if you haven't heard of scripting, you might want to look into this because this is a little how we do automation and automate daily tasks so that we don't have to do them repetitively as an employee. So on one of my first jobs, I wrote a script to print the reports at 6 a.m. in the morning so that by the time people came in at 7 and 8 o'clock, the reports were printed out and sitting on the printer ready for them to pick up. So we automate tasks to make things easier for us to do throughout the day. This week, one of our assignments involves managing processes on the computer, and I want you to start looking into why we would need to do this and consider cybersecurity and being able to identify what software is running on your computer, which is what we're doing in this exercise. So do the exercise and think about that, and that could be your post this week. Also, consider doing a video post like this. If you want to know how, join me in my homework huddle. Here's the huddle hours up top. Mine's on Wednesday, and I'd love to see you there. Thank you, and have a great week.